Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you wood furniture ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Most of the time, homeowners put a significant amount of time choosing the best patio furniture for their home. Unless you are willing to break the bank, you know how expensive these pieces can get. But if you want to look beyond the standard, DIY patio furniture ideas can upgrade your patio for less. It will also give you the chance to convey your originality and creativity. All it takes is a bit of carpentry skill, a wild imagination, and a little commitment. Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.